Do you want to add star ratings to your testimonials? In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to add, display and update star ratings using Strong Testimonials. To add star rating field in your form, you need to go to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Testimonials, click on Form. Click on the Add New Field button. Select the star rating type. Enter the label. Click on Save Changes. To display the star rating, you need to go to Testimonials and click on Views. Click on Add New. Give a title to your view. Scroll down to Fields Custom Fields. Click on Add Field. Select the star rating field. Scroll down. Click on Save Changes. If you want to update an existing testimonial, you need to go to your dashboard Testimonials. Go to All Testimonials. Edit the testimonial. Scroll down to Client Details. Search for the star rating field. Click on the Edit button. Select the desired rating. Click OK. Click on Update. And that's it. Your testimonials now have star ratings.